This piece should be on already, but not take long to cook. I'm gonna put on this pot with some peas. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back. You are in the Kenny Good Vibes kitchen. Today on the menu, I'm gonna cook some beef soup. Yes, some authentic beef soup with all the necessary ingredients to make it delicious. Now, these are the ingredients we have, and we're gonna kick off our soup. So right here, I have some stew size beef cut up. I'm gonna see if I have to cut them up in smaller pieces, but yes, I have some stew. Yeah, and what would the soup be without some bone in there? That's the main ingredient. We have some yam, pumpkin, sweet potato, Irish potato. I'm gonna drop a few pieces of okra in there. I got chocho. I got some hot pepper. Scallion and thyme is a must, and I'm gonna put some spinners dumpling. And of course, the cock soup, king of the pot, the flavor. So yes guys, keep watching. So you see how all the peas swimming on top? You don't want that. You want them to cook evenly. So this process is called sinking the peas. So in a few minutes, all the peas will be underneath and none will be swimming on top. So I'm just gonna cover that and let it do its thing. Alright, for the beef, let's take a minute and go through and see if the sizes are okay. So I think this size is okay. Them sizes I'm gonna want them, you know. These sizes are perfect. See the bone? The soup will be nothing without some bone. Looking good. All we're gonna do now is just make sure we wash this clean. And then, time for the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the pumpkin because we're gonna drop the pumpkin in the pot real soon. I want the pumpkin to cook out. And peel off the skin. Yes. And just at the right time when the pot is boiling, I'm gonna add in my pumpkin. Show you how we make the spinners them easy and simple. We just pop off a small piece and roll it like that and drop it in the pot. Just a small piece, some bigger than some smaller than some, and drop it in the pot just like that. We're gonna make a few round ones, but really small, not big. This is soup, you don't put the big ones in soup. Just like that. Now it's time to add in the flavor master. This is packed with a lot of flavor. The color start to change. Start to get that nice bright yellow color. So the pepper, I search for the pepper and remove the pepper. This is it, look at that. You don't want the soup to be too thick, you want it runny. I'm looking at this. This is perfect. This is perfect. So yes guys, I can turn off the stove on this one. Yes! Thank you very much for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.